Hey everyone, this is Miyash, and in this video we are going to see certain steps or certain settings or certain tools which you need when you have a new website or as you are planning to make a new website. And also if you already have a website, this will also help you because there may be some points which you may not be aware of. Alright, so let's get started. The first and the most important thing which you have to do when you have a new website is before putting blog post, before testing it, make sure that you connect it to Google products, which is I was going to say services, but it's products, which is Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and you can also check your website performance on Google Page Speed tool. I know that everyone knows it about it. Like you will be saying that I know about it, that we have to connect to see data, and Google Analytics is the best tool to measure your website data. I get it, but instead of like there are a lot of people who post like around 50 to 100 posts, yes, and then they connect to Search Console. They have a myth. It is actually a myth that Google, when you have a lot of blog posts and you directly connect, Google will get to know that you already have a lot of content. It's not like that. Google, it actually takes 2 to 3 months to for Google to have data on your analytics dashboard. It's my experience, and I recommend you to connect it in the starting only. The second thing is, this actually needs to be placed at the last, but right now I'm saying it on a second because it actually affects your SEO. You have to check when you prepare a website, there are a lot of pages you redirect or not for. You have to make sure that there are no broken links at all, as well as 404. If there is, make sure that you are redirecting it, or else you delete that link. This will really help you in the SEO. The third thing is actually, I think so, is the most important from a brand and SEO perspective. Not about the technical SEO and all that stuff, but from a brand stuff, and to get some SEO good traffic, this is very important. Staying consistent with the content. This is actually a problem for a lot of them, because every time you do something new, you're excited. So even with me, I created a blog. I worked on it for like 3 to 4 months. I got some traffic, but I was like, I'm getting boring into writing these articles, so I left it. This is the thing which a lot of people are right now, you can say that, experiencing, and they just leave it. Instead of leaving it, obviously it will take a year or two to get a lot of traffic for you to rank. You will learn how to write, how to do these all types of SEO things, SEO settings, use plugins. So it's like when you do something, it's like exploring. It's like an adventure SEO. Yes, because when you, for example, your competitor is ranking with a lower domain authority and you have a domain authority which is higher than him, but then also is ranking. You'll get into his post, you'll see whatever he's doing. He's having a more infographics or more links. Maybe that will be the thing. So it's like you have to stay up. You have to stay consistent with the content, because content always wins, and it will also be good for your brand. The fourth thing is actually a free stuff which Cloudflare provides. You don't have to buy an SSL certificate. Yes, if you're spending 130 rupees per month, I think so, it's the price of an SSL certificate. Cloudflare is giving you SSL for free. Yes, they are not taking any of your website data. They are giving you free SSL as well as free CDN. Yes. If you are right now hosted, if your website is hosted on shared hosting, Cloudflare will help you in speeding up your website speed as well as images with CDN. The fifth one is actually the caching. Yes, there are 2 plugins which I totally recommend you to use as a caching. If you don't know what is caching, for example, if I visited your website for the first time and your website is pretty much heavy, it took me 4 to 5 seconds to actually load your home page. And what these plugins will do is this will save all the cache on my browser, I think so. I'm not sure about this all things, but the second or third time you visit, it actually loads pretty fast. So this will also help you. Yeah, and the plugins are WP Rocket as well as W3 Total Cache. The one which I use is WP Rocket, so you can also use them. They both have free as well as premium versions, so you can check that out. The sixth one is only for the one who uses not only for the one who writes articles, but also the one who uses a lot of images on the website, using a plugin called Lazy Load, or any other plugin which has a feature like this. It's like whenever you scroll down, then only your images will load. So this will help you in increasing your website speed whenever a user comes on your blog page or your website page, because if the moment if he is not scrolling down, your website won't be loaded completely. So for example, he is reading your first section, only that will be loaded. The moment he scrolls down, then the second section will be loaded. So this will help you in increasing your website speed. And the last one is like a bonus for you, because this is what I personally do. Each and every step I have done on my website and I still do on my website, or if I'm working for a client website. So this is like, if you publish a new blog post, make sure that you use your own permalink, get into Google Search Console, and there's an option like to paste a URL and it will show you if it is indexed or not. Of course, it will not be indexed because you are just copying and checking that after a minute or two. So there's an option called index this URL. You can click that for, I think so it helps in indexing your website faster. This is what I think so, and this is what I do. I hope this steps is helpful for you, and if you have not done any of this, make sure you do this and let me know in the comment section if you have any queries about this. And second of all, I'm right now on the camera of making content after 2 or 3 months, I think so. There's a complete different another story behind this, so we'll talk about this later on. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Click on the like button. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if this content brought you any type of a value, make sure to comment down below about what helped you, and if you have any queries, comment down. Thank you for watching.